Welcome to my YouTube channel, and what we will be talking about is the car. The 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS is the ultimate expression of open-top grand touring, combining breathtaking design with uncompromising performance. Its sculpted bodywork features aggressive lines, a low stance, and a striking front grille that enhances both aerodynamics and cooling. The retractable hardtop roof seamlessly integrates into the car's design, allowing for an exhilarating open-air driving experience. Signature Ferrari styling elements, including sleek LED headlights and wide rear haunches, create a commanding presence on the road. With advanced aerodynamics and lightweight materials, the 812 GTS delivers both speed and agility without sacrificing elegance. Inside, the cabin is a perfect blend of luxury and race-inspired functionality. Premium leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and meticulously crafted details surround the driver and passenger, ensuring an exclusive feel. The digital instrument cluster and large infotainment display provide real-time performance data, navigation, and media controls. The flat-bottom steering wheel, equipped with Ferrari's signature Manettino dial, allows instant adjustments to driving modes for a tailored experience. With supportive bucket seats and an intuitive layout, the cockpit keeps the driver engaged while offering long-distance comfort. The retractable roof operates in seconds, seamlessly transforming the car from coupe to convertible. Under the hood, the 812 GTS is powered by a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, producing an astonishing 800 horsepower. This masterpiece of engineering delivers blistering acceleration, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. The high-revving nature of the V12, combined with an exhilarating exhaust note, creates a truly immersive driving experience. An advanced dual-clutch transmission ensures lightning-fast gear changes, while rear-wheel steering and adaptive suspension enhance handling precision. With Ferrari's latest stability and traction control systems, the 812 GTS offers both raw power and refined control. Front, the Ferrari 812 GTS is more than just a convertible supercar, it's a statement of performance, craftsmanship, and pure driving emotion. Every aspect of its design, from the aerodynamic curves to the roaring V12, is engineered to deliver an unforgettable experience. Whether cruising through city streets or attacking winding roads, the 812 GTS embodies the essence of Ferrari's legendary grand touring heritage. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more such videos.